Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're showing you how to break the streak on Snapchat. Whether you no longer want to maintain it or just need a break, here's a step-by-step guide to ending it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Stop sending snaps to the friend you have a streak with. The streak continues only when both users exchange snaps daily, so stopping is the first step. Step 2. Stop opening snaps from that friend. If you open their snaps but don't send one back, the streak still remains active, so avoid opening them. Step 3. Wait for 24 hours without exchanging snaps. Snapchat gives you a grace period, but after 24 hours of inactivity, the streak will disappear. Step 4. The streak will automatically disappear once the time limit is up. You'll notice the fire emoji and streak count will be gone from your chat. Step 5. If Snapchat prompts you to restore the streak, do not proceed. Snapchat sometimes allows users to restore a lost streak, but if you're trying to break it, simply ignore the option. Step 6. Open Snapchat once the streak is gone to confirm that it has been removed from your chat. Step 7. Go to the chat with the friend whose streak you wanted to break. Step 8. Tap on their username or long press their chat to bring up more options. Step 9. Select Manage Friendship. This will open a menu with different options for managing your connection with that person. Step 10. Choose either Block, Remove Friend, or Report. If you want to completely remove the friend, selecting any of these options will ensure that the streak does not return. Step 11. Once the friend is removed, the streak will no longer be recoverable, confirming that it has been permanently broken. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.